Hello y'all and welcome back to Boa's Bikers channel. This is day 2 of our 5-day trip to Sauerland. Today we're going to tackle a road of 235k. It's called the road with a lot of curves. So I'm curious. Let's go. It smells like fish here. That's strange. It's a brewery and that smells like fish. What a view! Look at this! Man! I hope it will be a day full of this. And look at this. There are a lot of these, what I guess are hunting cabins in this neighborhood. So I guess there must be a lot of game, wild in this neighborhood. These speed limits in Germany are crazy. Within city limits it's 50. Outside of city limits it's 100 kilometers an hour. And sometimes when you enter a town it's 30 kilometers immediately. So you go from 100 to 30 and from 30 to 100. Crazy. Whoa. Gotta pay attention. Look at that, that's a nice town. Built up against the hill. Oh, and up there, look, a chapel. It looks like we're going under the nice town. What's that? They're spraying the logs? Is it to prevent them cracking? I don't know. Hey, if you have knowledge about wood, let me know in the comments down below. Why are they spraying the wood? Tree energy. Do they use the trees to make energy? Huh? Burning trees? No way. Not possible. Hey, if the kids wave, you have to wave back. My God, this road is bad. Look at this. All the different fields, the different crops. They look like a quilt thrown upon the landscape. See? It's a quilt. Going down and going up, doing the twisties. It's nice riding here. Oh, look at that view, the tree in the middle of the meadow. I like that. And some would say, well, those wind turbines, they ruin the view. I don't think so. I think it's cool. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think wind turbines ruin the view? This might sound a bit strange to some, but these pylons and high voltage electricity cables, they do ruin the view, according to me. Look at the flat top of that hill. That must be a quarry of something, I guess. I guess we're in the neighborhood of Winterberg. Winterberg is a ski station here in the neighborhood. And looking at these hotels, I guess we're close. Oh, it's a Gesundheitscenter. Oh, what's that? A Ferris wheel. And look at the train. You see the train? I hope it's not too far. It's going backwards up the mountain. Is there a theme park or something in the neighborhood? Yeah, there is. Look, there's a roller coaster. And there are the ski slopes. Or a ski slope. Schmalenberger Kinderland. Fort Fun. Abenteuerland. Adventureland. Oh, what's this? Small castle? Pretty? So we're close to Winterberg now. You see the ski slopes to our right. The ski lift is going over the road. But I guess there is no skiing now, just some walking. My God, look how busy it is. Look at this, how cool, the bike park. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the view that just appeared over the top. So we're in Bad-Berleburg now, and there is a beautiful castle, ein Schloss, and we're going to try and find it, and there it is. See? Nice, isn't it? So beautifully situated on top of the hill, surrounded by the village. It's a really beautiful castle. Look at that. look at this. How quaint. Amazing. Ooh, what's that? That's strange. Is that a tree nursery or something? Look at these half-timbered houses. I love it that this area still has a lot of them. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? Now we are really taking the back roads. Just look at this amazing view. This landscape is so beautiful. Wow. Look at that. That's a nice little castle. A black stork. You see? So we're nearly back at the hotel. So that's all, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell so keep up to date with everything that I'm doing. And please comment down below.